Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Phone Flash, your top source for all the latest in tech. We've got some thrilling news to share today about the highly anticipated iPhone 16 series. Get ready for larger displays, upgraded cameras, and so much more. Let's get into the details. Save the date. Apple enthusiasts, get your calendars ready. The iPhone 16 series is expected to be unveiled during Apple's big fall event in September 2024. This annual event is always a highlight for tech fans around the world, and this year promises to be no different. With rumors and leaks circulating, the anticipation is building. What will Apple surprise us with this time? The countdown has officially begun, and we're all on the edge of our seats to see what groundbreaking features Apple will introduce this time. Larger and superior displays. One of the most talked about upgrades is the display size. The iPhone 16 Pro will feature an impressive 6.3-inch screen, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max will come with a colossal 6.9-inch display, marking them as the largest iPhones ever. This increase in size is not just about making the phone bigger, it's about enhancing your overall experience. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web, a larger screen means more immersive viewing. Even the standard iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Plus are getting a facelift with slimmer bezels, giving users more screen space to enjoy. The new OLED materials promise to deliver brighter colors and deeper blacks, while the potential introduction of micro-LED technology could take display quality to new heights. With more vibrant and accurate colors, these screens will make everything from photos to movies look stunning. Enhanced camera technology. The camera system is another area where the iPhone 16 series is expected to shine. While exact details are still under wraps, we're anticipating significant advancements in camera technology. From better low-light performance to more sophisticated AI-driven photography features, the iPhone 16 cameras are set to take your photos and videos to the next level. Imagine capturing stunning photos even in challenging lighting conditions, or shooting videos that look like they were made by a professional filmmaker. The improvements might include larger sensors, advanced image stabilization, and new software enhancements that make every shot perfect. We could also see new features like enhanced portrait mode, better zoom capabilities, and perhaps even new lens options. Stay tuned as more leaks and official announcements come out. New iOS 18 features. The iPhone 16 series will debut with iOS 18, which is set to bring a host of new features and improvements. Expect greater customization options, enhanced privacy settings, and cutting-edge AI capabilities with Apple Intelligence. These updates will make your iPhone experience more personalized, intuitive, and efficient. With iOS 18, you might be able to customize your home screen in ways we've never seen before, or use new widgets that provide real-time information at a glance. Enhanced privacy settings will give you more control over your data, ensuring that your information stays safe. And with Apple Intelligence, your iPhone will learn from your habits and preferences, making it more responsive to your needs. Whether it's suggesting the best route to work, recommending a playlist for your mood, or automatically organizing your photos, iOS 18 will make your iPhone feel more like a personal assistant than ever before. Advanced camera capabilities. The iPhone 16 series is set to revolutionize mobile photography with its impressive camera upgrades. The Pro models are equipped with a 48MP main camera featuring a larger sensor, significantly improving low-light performance and image clarity. Additionally, the 48MP ultra-wide camera on these models will deliver stunning high-resolution shots, capturing every detail.